Secret dental threats are ruining your teeth as you watch this. You brush, you floss, you might even use mouthwash, but are you doing enough? The truth is, most people aren't even aware of the hidden dangers lurking in their mouths right now. In 2025, we're exposing 3 of these hidden dental threats that could lead to tooth loss and how to stop them before it's too late. But don't worry, we've got you covered. For a life-saving dental trick, check out the Navy tooth repair hack in the description. Let's talk about tongue piercings. Now, I know body modification is a form of self-expression, but let me tell you, as a dermatologist, I've seen my fair share of complications. Imagine this, you're biting into a juicy apple, and bam! Your tongue ring collides with your tooth, chipping off a piece of enamel. It happens more often than you think. And chipped teeth? They're like open doorways for bacteria to waltz right in and set up shop. And speaking of bacteria, your mouth is already a pretty happening place, but tongue piercings can introduce new, unwanted guests. We're talking infections, folks. Swelling, pain, redness, not a cute look. And in some cases, these infections can spread, affecting your overall health. If you're considering a tongue piercing, think long and hard. Is it worth potentially sacrificing your dental health? For those of you who already have tongue piercings, don't panic. Be mindful of your piercing, avoid playing with it, and maintain meticulous oral hygiene. And if you notice any swelling, pain, or discharge, see your dentist or a medical professional immediately. Okay, let's talk about late-night snacking. We've all been there, right? That midnight craving hits and you just can't resist. But did you know that eating before bed without brushing your teeth is like setting off a ticking time bomb in your mouth? Think of it this way, when you eat, especially sugary or starchy foods, you're basically feeding the bacteria in your mouth a delicious buffet. And guess what? These bacteria are incredibly grateful. They repay you by producing acids that attack your tooth enamel. Now during the day, your saliva acts like a superhero, neutralizing these acids and washing away food particles. But at night, your saliva flow decreases, leaving your teeth vulnerable to these acidic attacks. So imagine this. You indulge in a late-night snack, and then you hit the hay without brushing. Those food particles are just sitting on your teeth, bathing in acid all night long. Over time, this can lead to cavities, tooth decay, and even tooth loss. The solution? Avoid eating after you've brushed your teeth for the night. If you absolutely must have a late-night snack, at least rinse your mouth thoroughly with water afterwards. Chapter 3. Gum swelling. The sneaky sign you could lose your teeth. We've all experienced it, that annoying, sometimes painful swelling in your gums. Maybe you brushed too hard, or maybe you flossed with a little too much enthusiasm. But what if I told you that ignoring gum swelling could lead to something far more sinister, something that could ultimately cost you your teeth? You see, gum swelling isn't always just a minor annoyance. It can be a sign of something much more serious brewing beneath the surface, something called gum disease. Gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, is an infection that affects the gums and bones that support your teeth. It starts subtly with a little redness, maybe some swelling or bleeding when you brush or floss. But if left untreated, gum disease can progress silently like a thief in the night, slowly destroying the tissues that hold your teeth in place. Over time, your gums can pull away from your teeth, forming pockets that become breeding grounds for bacteria. These bacteria release toxins that inflame your gums and break down the bones supporting your teeth. The end result? Loose teeth, bad breath, and eventually, tooth loss. If you notice any gum swelling, don't ignore it. Use an antiseptic mouthwash to help kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. And most importantly, schedule a visit with your dentist as soon as possible. So there you have it. 3 hidden dental threats that could be ruining your teeth right now. Tongue piercings, late-night eating without brushing, and ignoring gum swelling. Don't let these threats destroy your smile. Watch the Navy Tooth Repair Hack video linked in the description. It's a must-see to save your teeth now. Subscribe for more urgent dental health tips and hit the bell icon to protect your smile.